Welcome, and it's time to see Vert Der Ferk we're making today, and it's going to be a Pineapple Cucumber Slushee. And this is out of one of the Thug Kitchen 101 books. I own multiple of their books. So we're going to start with about 6 cups of frozen strawberry. Now pineapple. Now we're going to diverge a little bit on this recipe, and I'll explain later. About 1.5 cups pineapple juice. We're going to have 1 cucumber that's been peeled and just kind of roughly chopped up. And then we've got about, 20 or so mint leaves that we're going to throw in there. So we are full up.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Friggin' help if I plug the damn thing in. Don't worry, I'm a professional! So the recipe calls for ice cubes. This guy is already looking quite slushied up already. And to make it an appropriate drink, we have some beautiful Kraken Rum in there just to finish it up. Okay, and so this is the deviation that I was talking about. The recipe calls for putting ice cubes in it to make the slushie, but because I have this bad boy and the rum kind of thinned out the frozen pineapple, we're going to try this guy in the slushie maker and see what happens and make a true slushie. I am a mad genius. And we want a spiked slush. Here we go. All right, and now we're going to let her rip until she comes out frozen, or it's a complete disaster. Whichever. Well, I think it worked. All right. Looking good. Super refreshing. Don't only taste the cucumber, a little bit of the cucumber in the aftertaste. The mint and the pineapple punch through. Can't even taste the rum, which is super dangerous. But yeah, so this is from the Thug Kitchen 101. The way to order it will be in the playlist. So, like usual, it's going to be one book, one recipe, and one adventure every week. So, big success.